Need a new design for your website? I can help you out 100% free on my end. Hey there, I'm Chris Barron, Adobe Certified Instructor and best-selling Udemy instructor. I have loads of students specialized in web design that are looking for projects. They can help you out with a complete design in Adobe XD or Figma, desktop, mobile, and interactive prototype, from $800 to about $1,500. That's for the design side alone. Here are the steps. You email me about your project. I'm gonna pick out 3 or 4 designers from my community. I'm gonna give you their portfolios and their prices, and you're gonna pick who you want. After about 2 weeks, changes and edits, you're gonna have the entire design. After that, you're gonna email 5, 10, 20 coders, and then you're gonna get prices. You should go for WordPress. Rough estimate for coding between $2,000 and $4,000. Then you have a functional website. Now, why do you need a design? Because A, you'll get better prices from coders, and B, a great design helps you sell more. It helps your ads on Facebook or TikTok. It's one of the best investments. Now, what do I get out of it? Nothing, no commission from nobody. I just want to help my students. Check my website for all the details.